Hi, Kia community members. My name is Tyler Ainge. For those who don't know me, I am the Kia community manager. I wanted to create this video today just to show people who maybe haven't had a chance to log into the community or have been away from Kia for a while, just how easy it is to log in and start posting in our discussion forum. So this is our main Execs of the Know website. From here, you can press the login button up at the top, and that'll take you to your Kia login screen. You can see my information is already saved here, but if you forgot your password, you can just click the forget your password link and then press login. Once we're logged in, you can see this is the Kia homepage. Now there's a lot of different information here, but for this video, what I want to focus on are just these discussion posts. Our discussion forum is used a lot in Kia, and it really is the best place to be able to ask any sort of CX questions you may have and get insightful answers from CX peers. So to post a discussion, let's go to our discussion forum, and it's called the CX Open Forum. So then in here, you can press add, and then this is where you can create your discussion post. So you can enter in a subject line, type your question in here, and then press post. Now, say you wanted to reply to an already existing discussion post. All you would do is go back into the CX Open Forum, find the post that you want to reply to, click on it, and then right here, you'll see a reply button. Once you click on that, you can write your reply below and then press post. And that is how you log into Kia and interact with our discussion forum. Thank you for watching.